to my channel. Today's video is one of my most requested videos, and that's to do another I tried eating like and I choose a celebrity, or you guys give me the idea. A while back, a lot of you guys were saying that I should do Meghan Markle, and I love her. I think she is adorable, and just like a little spoiler, because I've been eating like her half the day now. We still have to make dinner and we're gonna go back in time and everything, but I'm just filming the intro now. One of the things I'm realizing about her diet is it's really simple. You would think Meghan Markle, royal family, like you would just think all of these things, that it would be this crazy diet, but it's actually just eating good, healthy food, but nothing crazy. And we're actually making her famous pasta recipe tonight. And she actually makes the bolognese sauce out of zucchini. So that's what's currently in that pot. As you guys know, Meghan Markle is extremely private, but I have found different articles. You guys know every time I do and I eat like a celebrity, I've done so many, like Khloe Kardashian, Shane Mitchell, Kourtney Kardashian, Carrie Underwood, Ariana Grande. You guys know I try to do as much research as possible. So what I found was that Meghan used to be completely vegan, and then she switched over to a more pescatarian lifestyle. And something else I love about her philosophy is she doesn't believe in dieting or anything like that, but just overall eating healthy. And she does indulge, but she's the kind of person where she would rather red wine instead of dessert. And she doesn't deprive herself of the wine. If she wants wine with dinner, she's having it. Oh, I wish I could have wine. She also has beautiful skin. I just wanted to add that in there. Just very natural makeup, and you could just see her glow shine through. I've already gotten a few tips from her that I'm going to be adding into my routine from here on out. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. Hi guys, good morning. So I'm starting out the morning with under eye patches. I'm gonna eat like Meghan Markle today. I feel like her under eyes are like perfect. Like maybe it's part of the diet, and we'll see at the end of the day how we feel, but I just feel like her makeup, just like everything looks good, but it's very natural makeup. Okay, I can't eat like Meghan Markle today with puffy under eyes, so I woke up a little puffy. The first thing she starts out with, instead of coffee or tea, she makes warm lemon water, and she does this for good digestion. And I looked up some more things that lemon water does, warm lemon water that is, when you have it first thing in the morning. So that's the first thing that she has, and it clears the skin from acne, increases immunity, reduces sore throat and cough infection. So especially with all the sickness going on, I woke up with a little bit of a sore throat today, and I think it's allergies. I always have the worst allergies in March and April every single year. It also replenishes energy, nourishes your hair. I actually didn't know that, but this is just something I feel like if you take anything from this video, you start doing this every morning, you're gonna feel amazing. I used to do this back in the day, and I would feel so good, and then I just kind of fell off. And that's why I like making these celebrity diet videos, because they just give you little reminders. Like, we're all a little bit nosy. We want to know how famous people eat. We want to know how celebrities eat. And I feel like every time J-Lo posts something, or even Meghan Markle, we're like, oh yeah, that's easy enough, I could try that. Okay, so while I'm sipping the warm lemon water, I'm also going to be making her breakfast, which is oats, agave, and sliced banana on top. But she liked to have this especially when she was filming Suits, because it was a healthy breakfast. That's especially when she was being her healthiest. She has it with banana topped with agave. So this is the agave that we buy. I haven't used agave since I was vegan, to be honest with you guys. I prefer honey. However, she still eats a lot of plant-based meals. Okay, so I love her snack. You guys know an apple with nut butter is like one of my favorite things in the world. So she likes to have as her first snack of the day, almond butter with an apple. Super simple. And this snack will keep you full because of the fat in almonds. Hey guys, so it's a few hours later and we're going to be making her snack, her go-to snack. She has this all the time. I read this in so many articles, and she loves to have a green smoothie, especially if she is eating fries and indulging more in desserts and stuff like that, she always makes sure to balance it out with a green smoothie. So we're gonna make a green smoothie, but first, we're actually gonna start her dinner prep. This is the whole reason I wanted to do her diet, was because of her zucchini bolognese. So I got the recipe and it takes 4 hours. So I thought that we could kind of start it now, just in case I run into any hiccups. We're gonna start the dinner recipe and then we're gonna make the green smoothie and go on with the rest of the day. Look, I matched my pots. I know that these are an investment, but green pan is like my favorite pans ever. I'll leave them down below if they're still available. I know that this was on Goop's website when I bought it, and I don't know if this was limited edition, this color. But anyway, add your olive oil. Olives in there. And I was telling them, Jared, my husband's filming for me right now. This is either gonna come out awesome, or I just wasted an entire onion.
No, it's gonna be so good. Love onion.
Okay.
Alright, let's see you move. Now TikTok it.
Okay, so TikTok is like, if you want to see old people TikTok. And then they're like, they do things like,
I still don't get it.
and then, but do they all do that? And then they leave with it, rock with it.
How do they all know the dances?
Yeah, that's what I want to know too.
What is that, like a club you go to on
Yeah.
Thursdays to TikTok dance?
Yeah, like, so they're doing this,
We're
but then,
so old.
but then they're like doing these things.
Very good. Nice.
Okay, so you want to put this on. Put it on medium. So one of Meghan's friends actually shared the recipe with her, and she calls it her sexy, filthy bolognese pasta, because you think that there's all this butter and oil. But what she discovered is when you let zucchini cook for 4 hours on low, it turns into this delicious bolognese sauce. And it's her guilt-free bolognese. All it is zucchini, a bouillon, water, olive oil, and onions. So all you have to do is leave it on low for 4 hours with the lid on, and that is it. Another great thing about this meal and why I picked this diet is because I know a lot of us are gonna be home. Cooking something for 4 hours is not something I'm intimidated by, since I know I'm gonna be home. You have to keep stirring it like every 30 minutes, or maybe every hour I'll stir it. Days that I'm gonna be out and about and doing a million things, I'm like, wait, no. I don't have time to do that. Obviously, if you have a crock pot, you can do that, but we lost ours in the move. So she hasn't shared her exact green juice recipe. So all the articles have said that she hasn't shared the exact one she does, but she shared by green juice for a quick and caffeine-free pick-me-up during the day. She would rather have a green juice in the afternoon than a cup of coffee. And that she also tries to avoid coffee, which old me wouldn't have even been able to do this diet, but since I'm pregnant and coffee sounds gross to me right now, I'm like all for it. I'm like, I'll try the green juice. She says, in quotes, green juice is a food as medicine philosophy for me. Not only does she have it because it's super healthy and all the immune boosting properties, but it's also energizing. I have a feeling she probably starts with spinach. So I'm doing frozen spinach, one of the most popular bases for green juice. And then to sweeten it up, I'm going to be going in with organic mango. This is also frozen. And then half of a banana. I always love to mix fresh and frozen. And that's another philosophy from Meghan Markle. She just loves eating fresh, real food. So when you're making a green juice, you want to start with the greens first. Spinach, we in there. Okay, so I don't know what she uses for a liquid, so we're just gonna go in with water. She probably uses water. I just can feel that. The energy. Can't she? I know her like that. She uses water. By the way, this isn't sparkling water. This is just regular spring water. That's a big smoothie that I made. Also, we're checking up on the dinner. But yeah, I just want to stir every hour, I think. So far, it's not mushy yet, but apparently this is gonna get really mushy and like a saucy consistency. All right, so we don't have any lemon left, so I'm just using this liquid lemon stuff that Jared always uses for cooking. So I love to add that when I'm making avocado toast, and salt and pepper. I love that she eats avocado toast for lunch because that is so simple. I know it's like basic, but it's simple. So someone actually posted a picture where they were having lunch with her and she ordered avocado toast, and I just think that that's so funny that that came up in the article. So like, and if you need proof she likes avocado toast, her friend posted this. And I'm using Ezekiel bread, which is low glycemic, and I love avocado toast with red chili flakes. Jared dropped half the rigatoni.
Yeah, it's been a tough
You just spit on me.
tough week.
So you stir that in, and then she says that she adds extra Parmesan. So it really took a while. This has been cooking
Maybe
for like
4 hours. Yeah, we could have watched Lord of the Rings. The whole
Twice.
trilogy.
She also adds red pepper flakes, which are my favorite. Careful, you don't like things too spicy.
That's true.
Yum, look at that. And so this is how she has it. This with a glass of red. However, I am not.
It's better if you've already had 2 or 3 glasses of red.
We're eating it at the same time right now. What do you think?
Wow, this came out really good.
Right?
I didn't know you could cook like this.
He says that about, I feel like every cooking video you say that.
You've really outdone yourself here.
I will say this. All of my celebrity what I eat in a day videos, I have learned a new yummy recipe. What celebrity do you want to see next? I could do their diet, workout, anything. Maybe
Show
a
us
mixture
The
of both.
Rock.
The Rock? How does he eat?
I don't know. I wish I didn't.
I'll find out.